Alrighty guys, so this is my new 2009 Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This thing's pretty sweet. I picked it up for 600 bucks and just look at her. That is one heck of a unit right there. So I picked this thing up for 600 bucks straight from the police auction. Depending on the lighting, you can still kind of see like the stars on the side and stuff. Still got the bash bar, the spotlight, all that stuff. I'm gonna keep that on there just because, I don't know, I like the police look. Obviously it's seen some better days. It's got some rust, got some dents on the back here, but for 600 bucks you can't beat it, man. I bought it, it runs, it drives. I had to fix like a few things on it, but yeah, this is gonna be my new beater. Daily driver, might turn into a project car. We'll see what crazy stuff happens. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video, but just wanted to give a reveal of the new car. Stay tuned, let me know what you want to see with this thing. Should I cut the mufflers off, supercharge it, do crazy stuff? Comment down below, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one.